Hello everyone, this is Amit from Ecovisionnaire. We are back with most expected topic series for this year's CBSE board exams. In our videos, we will be discussing the most expected questions in boards. To begin with, today we have first unit of macroeconomics, that is national income and its aggregates. It has been observed by our experts that questions based on these topics, which we are discussing today, have been asked in boards frequently. So, without wasting much of your time, let us begin with the most expected questions of national income. Coming to the first topic of national income, that is treatment of various items while calculating national or domestic income. First of all, the student has to be very careful while reading the question. If the question asked is asking about national income, there are certain rules, there are certain items which are added in national but not added in domestic. Similarly, there are few items which are added in domestic but not in national. And thirdly, there are few items which are neither added in national nor domestic. So be very careful. National income, for example, will have factor income from abroad, whereas domestic income will not have it. Similarly, domestic income is actually dealing with domestic or economic territory. Income earned by a company, a foreign company in India, may be a part of domestic income, is not a part of national income because it's a part of factor income to abroad. Similarly, there are few items which are neither added in national nor domestic. In short, you can just learn it by learning SWIFT, sale of second hand goods, your windfall gain, illegal incomes, then financial transfers or transactions or transfers. These five items are neither added in national income nor domestic. So you need to practice many items while treating them for national or domestic income. Coming to the second most important theory question is the rise in GNP or GDP the indicator of welfare? Here you have to cover 4 points and your answer should be it may not be an indicator of welfare due to the following points. First is externality, second can be composition of GDP, distribution of GDP, and non-monetary transaction. So it's a very, very important and expected question. Coming to the third most expected, of course, 95% chances of this question to come that are numerical on output, income, or expenditure methods. So it has been observed that difficult questions on these topic have been discontinued now. So they are giving you some questions which are very simple, where you just have to apply the formula and get. For example, if they'll give you NDPFC and ask you to calculate compensation of employees, but we are expecting a 3 to 4 marker numerical this year. Then fourth very important topic is real versus nominal income. Real income, real GNP will be income based on base year prices, whereas nominal income will be based on current year prices. So national income at current price and constant price, their difference or which is a better indicator is also expected. Coming to the fifth most expected topic, classify questions, stock and flow, intermediate and final. So when you cover intermediate and final, you also cover what is added and what is not added in national income. So mostly all the intermediate goods, when you get this question, all the intermediate expenditures and goods are not part of national income or domestic income, whereas all the final goods are part of it. Similarly, stock and flow, you have to know the difference and you also have to know the classification. Like wealth is a stock, and also you have to give the reason for it, as it can be measured at a point of time, that is a stock, and which is measured over a period of time is flow. So reasons have to be given in classified question. Coming to the last topic, which is sometimes given as a direct question also using income or expenditure method, what precautions are being taken while calculating national income? As I told you before also, what is not added in national income like SWIFT, and what is added, maybe imputed value, imputed rent of owner's occupied house. These are some few precautions which you have to write while calculating national income. So if you cover these six topics thoroughly, I believe that 95% of this chapter you have covered, and we are expecting questions from these topics. Students will be back with money and banking for the next video, and I'll just tell you, just download Ecovisionnaire app. For any other doubt or query, you can contact me directly. My number is given on the screen, 9891203546. And also, if you like this video, then share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.